What if I told you that in just a couple of years, robots may walk into our homes just like a new roommate? Not the vacuum that gets stuck under your couch, I mean humanoid robots. Machines that move like us, talk like us, maybe even dance better than us. Stick around because today, I'm taking you inside one of the most mind-blowing tech events, the Global Sources Fair in Hong Kong, where companies are bringing the future to life. Before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe if you're into futuristic tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from me. Let's go find the robots. Over the last few weeks, I've traveled across China visiting some of the world's biggest innovation expos. But today, I'm taking that excitement up a notch. This event is loaded with robotics, especially the type we've all been waiting for, humanoid robots. And the first stop is a company stealing a lot of attention recently, Engine AI Robotics, based in Shenzhen. They believe the future of robotics isn't just machines that assist us, but machines that live among us, humanoid robot reveal. And right here next to me is their latest creation, the PM01. Let me break down the specs without nerd overload. Height, 1.38 meters. Weight, 40 kilograms. Designed from full-stack in-house tech. Joint design makes up 50% of its cost and weight. Motion system built for smooth human-like walking. Not stiff robot wobbling. This thing literally walks like a person. Not short, bent-knee baby steps like older humanoids. They've engineered this robot to take long strides, balance naturally, and move smoothly through human spaces. Imagine this. A robot walks up to you, and you don't immediately think, yeah, that's definitely a robot. Creepy cool, right? Under the shiny, futuristic shell, dual-chip architecture for brain-level computing. Multiple cameras, plus microphones for perception. Open-source software like ROS for training and upgrades. Secondary development support, meaning developers can build their own robot apps. Yes, a robot app store is coming soon. You need your robot to babysit your dog? There might be an app for that. You want it to become a kung fu instructor? Maybe give it 2 years. But seriously, the ecosystem idea is genius. Engine AI Robotics expects household robots entering mainstream by end of 2026. Just picture it. You come home tired from work. Robot opens the door. Robot hands you your favorite drink. Robot reminds you to subscribe to my channel. Obviously the most important task. Beyond home use, they're aiming at healthcare, security patrol, restaurants, industrial support, no attitude problems, no calling in sick, no throwing shade when you ask them to do chores. Robots, 1. Humans, 0. Performance capabilities. This machine isn't just for show, it's agile. High walking speed, up to 2 ms in demos. Dynamic motions like fast turns and balanced lean control. Even front flips in internal tests. But here's what really blows my mind. We're not just watching robots learn to walk. We're watching them learn to belong in our environment. Every sensor, every actuator, every line of code is pushing robots closer to understanding how humans move, react, and live. And think about it. Once they can walk through a doorway, climb stairs, carry groceries, pick up a dropped phone, help someone stand up, we're talking about a massive leap in real-world usefulness. Today, they walk smoothly. Tomorrow, they might cook dinner, organize your home, or support people with mobility challenges. For the elderly, this could mean actual independence, not relying on someone constantly. For parents, imagine a robot safely watching over kids or helping with bedtime routines. We're not replacing human connection. We're augmenting life with a helper who never gets tired or frustrated. And honestly, that idea feels less scary and way more exciting. the more I see what these machines can already do. A flipping humanoid robot. What could possibly go wrong? Shenzhen, where this robot is born, has become a robotics mega hub. Tens of thousands of robot-related companies' industry value over 200 billion in 2024. The entire supply chain is just... It's like the Silicon Valley of robots, but bigger, louder, and way more futuristic. Beyond humanoids, I checked out some adorable mini AI companions created for kids. Imagine a tiny robot pet that recognizes faces, responds emotionally, reacts when you pet its head, can practice languages with your child, switches seamlessly between English, Mandarin, Japanese homework helper, plus best friend, plus tiny emotional therapist. All in one little gadget with a squeaky voice. These aren't toys anymore. They're becoming learning partners. Gadget break. Fun discovery. Then I stumbled upon one of the coolest wireless chargers ever. Shaped like a Cybertruck, you put your phone on the roof to charge. The headlights turn on, and on the back, a special spot for earbuds touch the truck bed. Another platform pops out for your smartwatch Tesla, call them. This deserves to be real. Another version is like a smart screen charger with clock menus, music player, multiple touch controls. Micro SD card support. At this point, it's not a charger anymore. It's a small command center disguised as a charger. Robots were smashing phones into tanks of water to show durability. But here's the thing. There were fish swimming inside the tank. Fish. Why? Are fish quality control experts now? Are they judging the IP68 water resistance score? We will never know. But hey, the phone survived. And the fish did too. Back to the humanoids. I truly believe we are entering a new era where robots won't just replace tasks. They will become part of daily life. Helping elderly people. Supporting workers. Serving you coffee with a smile. Well, with whatever face LED they have, the transformation is happening right now, not in a distant sci-fi movie. And seeing companies build open ecosystems, affordable hardware, and expressive movement, it's clear humanoid robots are here. And soon, they'll be everywhere. If you loved this peek into the future, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment which robot you'd want as your roommate, and stick around, because this is just the beginning. See you in the next one.